Yeah guys, today we'll be potting some breadfruit root cuttings. Most people pass a breadfruit tree and wouldn't even understand how simple it is just to own one. So today we'll be potting some breadfruit cuttings, guys. Yeah, the science of potting breadfruit cuttings is not really that difficult. It's all about the soil amelioration. You got to have three parts. The art of propagating breadfruit, guys, is not only about the cuttings, but it's also about the mixture of soil that you have in the pot. So, guys, today I'll be taking you through the soil amelioration process. Although I've already begun, but in this wheelbarrow, I've added sand, compost, and soil. Now I'm gonna combine it together. The sand is for the proper irrigation of the soil. We have the compost that gives it the nutrients, and then soil that just balance everything together. So guys, yeah, this is how I go by combining. This is the combination process. Yeah guys, so I'm combining the compost with the sand and the soil. So when it's potting time, I'll show you guys again. Yeah, we're potting just for an example. You can see how the soil just rolls. Yeah guys, so we're putting the soil about 3/4 ways up the pot. Then we'll fit the breadfruit cuttings in. Yeah guys, so we're fitting in the cuttings just like this. That's fitted. Then we'll fill some soil around the edges, guys. Around the edges, so you can see, guys, the, the root the root is actually above the soil, so it gets to breathe. And yeah guys, that's a potted breadfruit ready to go. In 4 to 6 weeks, this can be removed from the pot and planted in the back of your yard or wherever you choose. So in total we have 11 pots completed. And just a reminder, guys, the science of propagating breadfruit from root to trees is not only about the stock or the plant, it's also about the soil. The soil had to be mixed properly or ameliorated properly so that we have proper seepage, so we don't contain too much water when we water and have root rot. Yeah guys, thanks for watching another plant propagation video and yard life unfiltered, where we bring you botanical garden content. Please do like, share and subscribe and follow for more.